Akala mo ba accurate ang HR data mo, pero mali pala ang desisyon mo? Data is only as valuable as its accuracy. Many organizations collect large volumes of HR data but fail to validate its reliability. Errors in payroll, attendance, and performance records don't just create operational issues, they damage trust. When leaders rely on flow data, they make decisions that are misaligned with reality. Clean data is not an admin task. It is a strategic requirement. Hindi dahil may data ka, tama na agad. Minsan kumpleto nga, pero mali naman. At kapag mali ang basihan, mali rin ang desisyon. Good decisions start with reliable data. Follow the people edit because for me, people, process, and progress will always matter.